Good day, everyone. This is Dr. Cradle, and today I'm going to talk about and show you how to do one of my favorite things on Edmodo, and that is to post an assignment for your students. Now, I'll let you guys know that for some reason Edmodo is not wanting to load. This is the third or fourth time I've tried to record this, so we'll see if they're going to do it to get it to post. So let's get busy. You want to come into your Edmodo. You want to choose your class you're going to do. If you look over to the left here, and I have selected Spring 2019 Public Safety 2 CERT. I'm going to hit the Assignment tab. Now, I will show you that I like to type everything out that I want to put in prior to going here, and I do that so I make sure I can spell everything correctly and I can see it all in one sheet of paper. Edmodo does do a spell check, but sometimes I like to write it out beforehand. Put down here where it says give your assignment's description. I copy and paste information here. I put my title, assignment title. Then I'll put my due date, and I'll set it for tomorrow, the 15th. I get out of school at 2:18, so I'm going to set this for 2:10 to make sure I have time to check my students have actually done their assignment. Now, this is where I do things probably, I know I don't have to, and it's double posting it. But as you see here, I've actually got a web page I want my students to go to. And that is this webpage here for CERT Moulage. And Moulage is actually come up with different injuries that patients have had from either car wrecks or from, there's a tornado or whatever. And my CERT class is Community Emergency Response Team. So I'm having them set up an assignment to where they can do Moulage and be able to help me make scenarios for my students. So I'll read this through you real fast. This is CERT Moulage. It's due on the 15th at 2:10. I'm asking them to please create 10 slides, a PowerPoint presentation on how they would use Moulage in a CERT scenario for their class. I break it down in what I want on each slide. Slide 1 is the title. Slide 2 is list of needed materials to create their own Moulage kit. Slides 3 through 8 is create slides with photos of the injuries they want to create and a step-by-step guide of how to just do that. Slide 9 is I want their scenario, and then I want slide 10 to be their works cited, and then I always put in mind, please turn in by due date and due time for full credit. And like I said, I always make sure that I put my web pages I want them to go to in 2 places in the actual assignment. Then I also will add them to a link. So here it is in the link. This is the title, and that is loaded. All right, so let's see. All right, so let's see if we can actually get this to load this time. So here it goes. Let's hit send. And we are waiting for it to actually load. For some reason, when I'm recording, it takes a long time to record. It takes a long time for it to load. So that actually concludes my my video here. But what I'll also do, just in case, so we can get this to actually load up, I will also show you another one, but it's probably not going to load up also, which is how to actually do an assignment that you've already recorded. So I have a lot of things I've already recorded, and I use time and time again. So I go to the Assignments tab. And if when you scroll under the assignment title to the little tab here, it says Load Assignment. Click Loaded Assignment. And it says Search for different things that you want to use. So let's see, I want to do CERT Operations, CERT Unit 7, Unit 6, CERT Operations. Click here. This is going to list everything I've asked them to do for this assignment. So scroll down and it gives you everything I want in there and done. So it's all there for you. Give it a date. And a time, I'll leave it at 11:59 p.m. and hit send again, and it actually will go ahead and load up. Oh, that one actually loaded. Oh, you can actually see it. Yay! I don't know why it's not loading the other one so fast, but as you see, it loaded it. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope this has been informative, and you have a great day.